The J&B Candy Company claims that 45% of the candies it produces are blue, 30% are brown, and 25% are yellow. Each bag holds 65 candies. A simulation was run 200 times, each of sample size 65, based on the premise that 45% of the candies are blue. The results of the simulation are shown below. Bonnie purchased a bag of J&B candy and counted 24 blue candies. What inference can be made regarding a bag of J&Bs with only 24 blue candies? So, I guess the question here is really asking whether or not 24 blue candies, is that an oddity? Like, is that like way too much, way too little, or is that something reasonable? So to check this, to make that inference, what we're going to do is we are going to create a confidence interval. Like, how confident are we, okay, for there to be 24 blue candies here when they're claiming 45%? So let's take a look at this, right? 45%, or 0.45, of 65, right? What is that exactly? So I'm going to go to my calculator, clear this. So 0.45 times 65. There should be 29.25 candies. This is like the benchmark, right? So for there to be 24 candies, is that like, way too little? Or is that something reasonable? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the data that's gathered from the simulation, and we are going to construct a confidence interval. And to do that, we're going to take the mean, and we're going to add and subtract by, usually the confidence interval is constructed by a 95% confidence. So, and that usually implies having 2 standard deviations. So mu plus or minus 2 standard deviations. So we're going to take 29.27 plus or minus 2 times 3.936. Let's see what this interval is. So we're going to go over here, 29.27 plus 2 times 3.936. Is it 3.936? Yes. And press enter, and then we're going to do this again, and we're going to find the difference. So that will give us 21.398. So 21.39 to, what was that? 37.14. So what this implies is 95% of all bags should fall in this interval. So looking at looking at Bonnie's bag here, she has 24, right? So because she has 24, and 24 is in between 21 and 37, we can say that having 24 blue, candies is within reason, because it falls within the 21.39 to 37.14 interval. And which one would best satisfy that? So Bonnie's bag is within the middle 95% of the standard data supporting the company's claim. So that would be option 4.